If you try to take it, see what happens. As soon as I touch it, alarm starts immediately. So today I made a simple security system to protect any important things. This is Arduino Uno, the brain of this project. Next I use a small buzzer for sound alert. Next I use a small red LED for warning light. And using a breadboard to connect everything easily. Now I connect LED and buzzer to the breadboard. And using jumper wires I connect everything to Arduino. The real things of this project is I use ultrasonic sensor. I placed the sensor inside a small box and fixed it using hot glue so it stays stable and heavy. Connect the sensor to Arduino and complete the setup. Now I upload the code first. It detects distance and knows when something is removed. Object is in place, nothing happens, but when someone tries to take it, alarm triggers instantly. Now no one can touch my things without warning.